Another very crucial hearing has in fact begun. Section 377 hearing in the Supreme Court has begun. The Christian organizations are going to begin their arguments. Remember, this gathers a lot of significance. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja joining me on the phone line with more. Meenakshi, we understand that these Christian organizations will be seeking to retain the provisions of the penal law. Take us through all the details. What's happening in court?
Well, the hearing is underway. This is day 4 of the Supreme Court Constitution bench going on to evaluate the criminality aspects attached to same-sex love in India, which we have seen a lot of indication which way the Supreme Court is inclined. And today, being the day 4, we are seeing the Christian organizations, 2 or 3 of them, making their submissions to the Supreme Court, asking for the retention of the provisions, asking for the retention of the provisions of this penal provision. And alongside what we are seeing is these organizations tell the Supreme Court just moments back as to how the classification in Section 377 pertaining to carnal intercourse, which according to them is of 2 kinds, one which falls within the order of nature and the other which is against the order of nature is a reasonable classification. So, of course, we will see arguments being advanced, and subsequent to that, since a large part of the matter has already been argued and the government has taken a watered-down approach, there is all expectation that the Supreme Court will go on to reserve its judgment on this one.
Absolutely. Meenakshi Bhanja, thank you so much for bringing us those updates. Section 377 makes 2 classifications. One is carnal intercourse within nature and the other against nature. This is a reasonable classification, is what the Christian organizations are in fact telling the Apex Court.